Bow window installation is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and increase natural light. Our expert team in Covington specializes in custom bow windows, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's architecture. With our Covington window installation services, you can expect top-notch craftsmanship and attention to detail. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. In Covington, we offer a wide range of energy-efficient windows designed to keep your home insulated and reduce your carbon footprint. Our Covington window insulation services ensure that your windows are properly sealed and weatherproofed, providing maximum energy savings. Window glass replacement is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Covington window glass services include everything from single-pane to double-pane windows, ensuring that your home remains secure and energy efficient. Trust our Covington window installation experts to handle all your glass replacement needs with precision and care. Custom window designs allow homeowners to express their unique style and enhance their home's aesthetic appeal. In Covington, we offer a variety of custom window options, including custom bow windows, to suit any architectural style. Our window style consultation services in Covington help you choose the perfect design for your home. Window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Covington window frame installation services address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring that your windows remain functional and attractive. Trust our experienced team to restore your window frames to their original condition. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. In Covington, we offer a wide selection of double-pane windows designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Our Covington window installation services ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. Window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our Covington window seal installation services address issues such as broken seals and condensation, ensuring that your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. Trust our experts to keep your windows in top condition. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. In Covington, we offer a variety of vinyl windows that provide excellent insulation and durability. Our Covington window replacement services ensure a seamless installation and long-lasting performance. Window insulation services are essential for maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Our Covington window insulation services include weatherproofing, caulking, and sealing to ensure that your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. Trust our experts to keep your home comfortable year-round. Window hardware upgrade is a simple yet effective way to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. In Covington, we offer a range of window hardware options, including locks, handles, and hinges, to suit any style and budget. Our Covington window maintenance services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Covington window installation services offer a comprehensive range of solutions, including bow window installation, window glass replacement, and energy-efficient windows. Our team of Covington window installation experts specializes in custom window designs and window frame installation. ensuring your home is both beautiful and functional. With our double-pane windows Covington services, you can enjoy enhanced insulation and reduced energy costs. For those seeking vinyl window replacement in Covington, our residential window services Covington team provides top-notch solutions tailored to your needs. We also offer window insulation services to keep your home comfortable year-round. Our window hardware upgrade options ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. Window sash replacement. Covington services are available for those looking to restore the functionality and appearance of their windows. Our Covington window weatherproofing solutions protect your home from the elements, while our window screen installation Covington services keep pests out. Trust our Covington window caulking experts to seal any gaps and prevent drafts. Window trim installation. Covington services are essential for maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your home. Our Covington window leak installation team addresses any water intrusion issues, while our window condensation fix Covington services eliminate foggy glass. For added privacy and UV protection, consider our Covington window tinting services. Our window glazing Covington services enhance the durability and energy efficiency of your windows. Regular Covington window maintenance ensures your windows remain in top condition, while our window style consultation Covington services help you choose the perfect design for your home. Accurate Covington window measurement is crucial for a flawless installation. With our window installation warranty Covington, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. We provide transparent Covington window replacement cost estimates, so you know exactly what to expect. Explore our window upgrade options to enhance your home's value and comfort. Custom bow windows. Covington add elegance and charm to any home. Our Covington window glass services include everything from simple installations to complete replacements. Trust our window frame installation Covington experts to restore the structural integrity of your windows. Energy-efficient windows. Covington are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our Covington window insulation services help reduce energy bills and improve indoor comfort. With our window sash replacement Covington services, you can enjoy smooth operation and a refreshed look. Our Covington window weatherproofing solutions protect your home from harsh weather conditions. Window screen installation. Covington services keep your home bug-free, while our Covington window caulking experts ensure a tight seal. Window trim installation. Covington services enhance your home's curb appeal. Covington window leak installation services address any water damage issues, while our window condensation fix Covington solutions eliminate moisture buildup. For added privacy and sun protection, consider our Covington window tinting services. Our window glazing Covington services improve the strength and efficiency of your windows.